Thank you, guys. Is everything good?
Oh, everything is great. We didn't play much pool, but your son here is a shark at that video game over there.
I may have spent all Dev's quarters.
Well, we can't have that.
Really, it was my pleasure.
No, let me buy you some dinner at least. There you go. Thank you.
Thank
you.
See you, bud.
See ya. Do we have to go now? I want to show you how good I am at that video game.
All right. We can stay a bit longer.
Cam, I need to tell you something about Joss's journal.
Okay. But first, let me clear up the air with my parents, okay? Grab us a table.
All right. What the hell?
For the pain. Can you take these?
Try.
Oh, sorry.
Did you reach Jason?
We spoke, but I couldn't get into it over the phone.
But he's coming, right? Right. If he doesn't help me, I'm as good as dead.
Look, I'm so sorry for freaking out.
Come on, give yourself some credit. It's really bad news. I think you took it really well.
Hey, excuse me? There's a suspicious bag underneath that table over there.
You're right. Dante's return changed things. It made me realize I don't want to just officially move in. That's not enough. I want to build a life together. To make what we have permanent.
I thought that we were
Whoa,
talking
no,
about...
I'm doing this wrong. Hold on. Lulu Spencer. I love you with all my heart. Will you marry me? You better pick up for now.